Help me, Glossybox, you're my only hope.
Hello again, Void. I'm back with another Glossybox and Birchbox unboxing. It's October, so hopefully there'll be an awful lot of Halloween-themed stuff in here because it's the most wonderful time of the year. So without actually properly, I promise this time, without further ado, alright, here we are. So it looks like the theme this month is days like these. Whatever that means. I guess we'll find out. Let's see. Okay. Days like these, October 2018. So it doesn't look like they're going for anything particularly Halloween-y this time, which is sad. Hello, Birchboxers! Following a hectic summer, we're welcoming the new season with a change of pace. Emblazoned on this month's box, Days Like These, is all about embracing autumnal nostalgia in the best way possible, slowing down, cozying up at home, and indulging in the first of many pumpkin spice lattes. I haven't had one yet. I don't actually even know if the coffee shops near me are doing them yet. It's not quite as much of a thing here. So, I'm not going to look at the actual products in the book because I like to be surprised. So, I mean, everything's kind of visible, but first item that I pick up is, oh, that's interesting. It's a multifunctional soap sponge, charcoal. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. How does that even work? Achieve a deep and detoxifying clean with this soap and charcoal infused sponge. Simply wet and lather, cleanse skin in circular motions. I mean, that's weird and interesting. Cool. I look forward to trying it. Item 2 is another sort of tiny thing. Oh, does that say Winky Lux? Winky Lux strobing balm in radiant pink. So I guess it's like a highlighty sort of thing. It's quite pretty. It's shiny. Again, it's probably too dark for me. Why is everything too freaking dark? But can you see that? It's shiny. It's shiny. Okay, then we've got, oh, it's like some perfume. It's Hugo Boss The Scent. Intense. Eau de Parfum. Exquisite notes of honey peach, captivating osmanthus absolute, dark cocoa, and vanilla. Okay, I mean, that actually sounds like something I might be into. Maybe. Next item is by Amika. Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I like masks, and I really like the artwork on this bottle. It's really quite cool. I feel like I'm moving through this box really quickly, but I suppose I'm trying not to drag it out like I did in the last couple of videos. Alright, next item is a Lord & Berry Brunette Magic Brow Pencil. these boxes are conspiring to make me actually start doing my brows. Shit. Oh, okay, this is the thing that they actually like sent me an email about to choose which one I wanted. There was, it's a gold thermotherapy warming foil mask, and I did get an email asking me to choose between the gold and the silver, and I think the silver was sort of more like purifying and like for oilier skin in some way, and this is more for drier skin, so I chose the gold. Yeah, so that's actually something that I had a hand in picking out, so I'm looking forward to trying that. It's anti-aging and all that jazz. Cool. So I think part of the reason I'm rushing through this is I'm really hungry. So yeah, I think that is everything. So just to very quickly recap, we had the gold mask, which I just talked about, the Winky Lux strobing balm, the Amika Soul Food mask, the Daily Concepts Multifunctional Charcoal Soap Sponge, the Lord and Berry pencil, which I seem to have lost, which frankly is a shock because I'm certainly not known for constantly losing things. Anyway, there was a pencil. I showed it to you, you remember. There was a pencil, but now I can't find it. And finally, the Hugo Boss perfume. That's Birchbox done. On to the next Glossybox. There we go. And open. Okay, this is more like it. Okay, I mean, first of all, there's an ad, like a leaflet for the advent calendar, which I probably won't buy. But anyway, on to the Glossybox. Look at this. That is amazing. That is so beautiful. And it says treat on it. Hey, I hope there are no tricks. Oh, this is my favorite box so far. It's actually really beautiful. I really like this. It's not pink for once. Okay. Inside we have the usual tied together with a ribbon situation. Just open it up. So we have our leaflet, and it says, "Trick or treat, Glossies. As the chilly breeze hits and Halloween approaches, our October edits will seriously warm things up. This month we're having double the fun with the launch of 2 special design boxes. You've received our treat box, a completely cruelty-free edit brimming with 4 full-size makeup heroes that will help you nail a chic and sultry take on Halloween, plus a 3-in-1 skincare savior." So I guess some people got a trick box, and I got the treat box. Cool. That's a lovely touch, actually. Whether you fancy attempting that difficult balance between glamorous and gruesome, my life is that balance, and usually falling down on the side of gruesome, unfortunately, but so it goes. So whether you fancy attempting that difficult balance between glamorous and gruesome, or are avoiding Halloween fancy dress completely, this edition has got you covered. Glossies, let's get vampy. Ooh. Okay, I'm not going to look at what's on the card in terms of the products, but we've got a black paper this time with the little sticker again. This time, again, the sticker's not actually holding the paper together like it wasn't the first time. Okay, first thing that's jumped out, because it's, I think, the biggest, is a sleek eyeshadow palette. So it's the Eye Divine mineral-based eyeshadow palette in Oh So Special. Right. Okay. I have to open it up and look. I have to. Come on. There we go. Okay, I mean, it looks like a sleek palette. Comes with a double-sided foam-tipped whatchamithingit. Whatchamithingit. If that's a word. And it has a little thingy that tells you all the colors. And they're all sort of gifty, sort of celebratory kind of names, like bow, organza, ribbon, gift basket, glitz, celebrate, pamper, ghetto, the nail, boxed, wrapped up, and noir. And they look like this. Which is kind of nice. They look like nice colors. I mean, they're sort of with a decent mix. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sort of shiny, glittery, silvery sort of, not silvery, like shiny, glittery, shimmer, that's the word I was looking for, shimmery shades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 matte shades. So cool. I will probably have a little play with that, or maybe film a video about it or something. Dunno. Next, in transit camera close-up mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. I don't know how that would work, how you can be 3 things at once, but it says apply to clean skin and massage until absorbed. Okay, we'll give it a try. Next item is quite large. It's an MUA Luxe Strobe and Glow Highlight Kit. I don't know why it's a kit, but maybe we'll find out in a second. I'll look inside. Oh! Okay. So it's got a mirror, blah blah, and there's like one product, and then you lift, and there's a second product in there, and I think that's kind of a creamy, no, it's like it feels creamy in the pan, but then it's powdery on my hands. That's really weird. It's pretty. And then the top thing is just, yeah, like a highlighter, powder highlighter. It's Pink Luster, multi-formula compact, ideal for effortless highlighting. The cream and powder formulas in a light luminescent shimmer allow for a perfect strobe and glow iridescent look. Okay, exciting. This might be one of my favorite boxes yet. Next product is Luna by Luna. Translucent powder. Okay. It's got talc in it. Is talc still bad? Are we still not using talc? I can't remember. It's got a little poofy thing inside it, and I mean, it's translucent powder. Alright, it looks like the last product is... Oh, this is the one that was teased last time. The one that either comes in like a purple or a pink, and I said I want the purple, but I'll probably get the pink. Bollocks. Like, what am I gonna do with a shade like that? You know what? Let's try it. Let's try it right now. Ready? I can't even put this on properly. I mean, like, what even is this color? It's like Barbie pink. Like, I look like I'm trying to be Katy Perry or something. Like, what is going on? I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do you think? What do you think of this color? I mean, it's actually like, it's a little bit darker pink in real life than it's showing up on the screen. So maybe it's not as bad, but geez, on the screen it looks proper like the pinkiest pink that ever pinked, and that's just not my style. It's sort of more like magenta-y kind of in person, but still just like not a color that I would normally get anywhere near. Right, so having said that, let us recap. Here we go. Glossybox recap. We have the Bloody Pink lipstick. We have Strobe and Glow highlighter, translucent powder, the in-transit camera close-up, like mask, moisturizer, primer, breakfast, lipstick, vacuum cleaner, all-in-one thing, and the eyeshadow palette. Okay, I mean, all in all, considering, like, this is a pretty good box. I mean, you get a giant double highlighter thing, translucent powder, an eyeshadow palette, a full-size lipstick, like, that's pretty good. And there is a sneak peek for the November box. We can't keep it a secret any longer. Our November box features a full-size liquid matte lipstick from Huda Beauty. I've never owned a Huda Beauty product before. Okay, cool. So that is October's boxes. Done and dusted. I look forward to playing with this stuff and sucking at it, and we will see. At some point soon, I'm gonna try to do like a subscription box recap using some of the products that I've received, talking about some of the products that I've been using that I received, and giving you guys my feedback on them, such as it is. So yeah, look out for that soon. See you next time.